Hello, and welcome to the Chanshan Centennial Library. My name is Lance, and I'm a librarian here at Southwestern Adventist University. This video is part of a series where I talk about the library, how it works, and what skills you need to do research well. In this video, I will explain what Boolean operators are and how to use them to improve your searches. And, or, and not are the three Boolean operators. When you place them between your keywords change how they interact with each other. They can be somewhat counterintuitive at first, but once you understand how they work, they become very simple to use. And means that your search results must have both terms. This will really limit the number of results you're seeing. Or means that your results can have either or both terms. This will really open up the number of results you're getting. Not means that the second keyword will be excluded from your results. This will limit the results you're seeing, but not as much as and would. Let's use the beasts of ancient mythology to understand things a little better. For example, we could describe this Greek hippogriff as eagle and horse. The manticore is a Persian creature that has the body of a lion, a human head, the tail of a scorpion, and sometimes it has the wings of a bat. We might describe it in Boolean terms as lion and human and scorpion or bat. Parentheses are used to group things together. In this instance, it puts the first three terms in a group that is required, leaving the bat as the independent variable. How would you describe this Chinese hundun? It has the wings of a bird, the body of a pig, the feet of a bear or a lion, and it has no head. Pause the video and take a moment to think about what parts must be present, what parts might be there, and what parts must not be there. Are you back already? Wow, that was quick. Or maybe it took a long time. I don't know. This is pre-recorded. Did you come up with something along the lines of bird and pig and lion or bear, not head? I bet you did. You seem pretty sharp. Boolean operators aren't something you have to do in order to search, but if you're looking for something very specific or very exotic, they can be very helpful. It's probably likely that your searches will only use some of these tips, but it's good to know that the ability to go crazy is there if you need it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for listening, and don't forget that we have a bunch of other videos that can help you out. If you have any questions or need more help or information, don't hesitate to reach out to the library at the contact information on the screen.